Hey y'all, how's it going everybody? What is up YouTube? Sparky Marky Mark here, and I'm back to do a unboxing of a certain item. And what is in this big envelope, And where's it from? If you see it, you know what it is. But anyways, let's see how it came in. Alright, opened it ahead early and very safely taped with blue tape underneath it, protected by these corners. Very, very cool. So no chit chat, y'all. What was in here? Oh yeah, it's on the other side. Let's go. Like now. Well, folks. What do I got here? I got me a Robert Englund Freddy Krueger autograph. That's right, Freddy Krueger. And look at that right there below. Even though it is in monologue colors, this is from the M-O-W Man MacLeod Authentics. I can't even read that right. But I got it. I won on a bid on eBay, and it's a certificate of authenticity. Even though it is kind of a little glarish. Look at the back. Certificate of authenticity, COA. Witnessed. Beckett authenticated, baby. That's right. Beckett authenticated. And look at that. Witnessed it, and if you want to know where you can get one of these badasses, here it is. So yeah, y'all. Here it is. I got me a Fred Krueger autograph. Finally got one, yo. Anybody a fan of Freddy Krueger, Nightmare on Elm Street, Robert Englund? Let me know in the comments below. So yeah. So y'all, this is Sparky Marky Mark signing off. Y'all take care. God bless you. Enjoy Wednesday, y'all. No, actually, screw that. Today isn't Wednesday. No. Enjoy the weekend. Heck, Friday is the beginning. Just the beginning for the weekend. So anyways, y'all, be safe. Take care. God bless you. Hear you, and see you on the next vid. Later, y'all. And let me be clear for one thing. I'm on the YouTube community. I post what time certain times I post my videos, and I post links for any sites that is going on right now for private signings. So please follow that as well. And what time I post videos. Now on is afternoon hours or evening. So y'all, catch you on the next vid, and enjoy the weekend, y'all. Later.